has a variety of buttonholes to choose from depending on the type of project that you're sewing a buttonhole on. There are two different styles of bar tack buttonhole, which is the basic buttonhole style. But you also have keyhole buttonholes, which are nice for menswear or outerwear, and round end buttons as well. We're going to use stitch number 74, which is our large bar tack buttonhole, to show you how to make a buttonhole. No matter what kind of fabric you're going to sew your buttonhole on, it's a good idea to use an interfacing or stabilizer to help keep the dense stitches of the buttonhole from puckering the fabric. You're also going to need your button, of course, and your buttonhole foot from your machine's accessories, a small ruler, a fabric marking pen or pencil, and a pin. Place your button on your fabric where you want to sew the buttonhole, and then take your fabric marking pen or pencil, draw a line at the bottom of where you want the buttonhole to be, and then use your small ruler to make a line where the center of the buttonhole will be. This is your buttonhole foot, which you can retrieve from your machine's accessories. It has a slider at the back that opens out, and you can place your button in the foot and close the slider onto the button. This will help tell the machine exactly the right size of buttonhole to make for your button. And now we're ready to place the foot onto the machine. To place the foot on the machine, first remove the foot that's already on the machine by pressing in on the presser foot release lever here at the back of the presser foot holder. That releases the foot, and you can simply remove it. And now we're going to place the buttonhole foot on the machine by lining up the presser foot pin on the buttonhole foot underneath the presser foot holder, and then lower the presser foot holder onto the buttonhole foot until it snaps in place. It's a good idea to place your needle thread through the hole of the presser foot as well. Next, reach up here for your buttonhole lever and pull it down, all the way down as far as it will go, making sure it's in between these two extensions on the left side of the buttonhole foot. And now you're ready to place your fabric under the buttonhole foot. You want to line up the sideways line that you drew with the red marking on the buttonhole foot and the vertical line that you drew with the opening in the hole of the foot. Step on the foot control to start sewing and sew until the buttonhole is finished. It will stop automatically when it's finished after making 3 or 4 tie-off stitches to secure the buttonhole. Raise the presser foot lifter and bring your fabric out and cut your thread. If you like, you can place the thread tail into the eye of a hand sewing needle and just pull them to the back side and tie them in a knot to secure. Place a pin at the end of the buttonhole just in front of the bar tack. When you cut the buttonhole open, this pin will act like a stopper to keep you from accidentally cutting through the end of the buttonhole. Place the end of your seam ripper into the buttonhole and carefully move it through the opening between the 2 rows of stitches until you come to the end, and then remove the pin And there's your beautiful one-step buttonhole, perfectly sized for your button. For more information, a full instruction manual is available on the Singer website to view or download anytime.